Now let us talk about map scales. For every map, there has to be a scale. If it is not there, you will find not to scale written there. So these are dimensionless. Map scales are always dimensionless. This is the ratio that relates a unit of measure on a map to some number of the same units of measure on the Earth's surface. So what you have on a map divided by what you have actual on the ground is the ratio, is your scale. For example, if this is a scale 1 is to 25,000, this tells us that one unit of measure on a map is 25,000 of the same units on the Earth's surface. Means if it is 1 meter on the map, it will be 25,000 on the real world. So this this inch on the map, this is equal to 25 inches on the Earth's surface. So 1 meter on or 1 yard or 1 kilometer or 1 mile or anything one would represent this 25,000 meter, yard or kilometers or miles respectively on the Earth's surface. So this is the map scale. Now we have this large and small scale maps. Let us see. 1 is to 5,000 is a large scale map. This is a large scale map. So what do you see here? Let me introduce first the small scale. 1 is to 56 zeros is a small scale map. This is a small scale map of complete world. What does it signify? You see the details are very clear, lot of details are there, and we want a particular area to be covered with total detail. And this we want to show whole world in one go. So this is small scale map and this is large scale map. Large scale map has a lot of information. So 1 is to 5,000 is, that means 1 inch is 5,000 inch on the map. 1 is to 56 zeros means 1 inch is equal to 50 into 6 zeros inches on the map. So these are large and small scale maps. These are the commonly used map scales, means 1 is to 2,000, 1 is to 5,000, 1 is to 6,000, 1 is to 24,000 is the most common one. Then these are the USGS scales. USGS is United States Geological Survey. 1 is to 24,000. 1 is to say 1 lakh. 1 is to 250,000 maps. And these are the map units. Feet or meter is the map unit for many local government and GIS applications. So if you go to your ArcGIS, you'll find that these are the units which you can change and you can give. Inch is the map unit for CAD applications. If you are talking about CAD, Autodesk, CAD applications, then the inches are the map units. Then 1 is to this 1 lakh, this is the scale which you will find in your ArcGIS or any software in which you are doing, or Quantum GIS you are working on. This is the scale. So there will always be a scale. So if you want to go to 1 is to 24,000, see how much detail you can see. This is 1 is to 10,000, again more larger scale. And as I said, there is a large scale map. This is a large scale map, and the other one which showed the globe, that was a small scale map. This is again a large scale, 1 is to 2,000. Don't confuse by large and small. Then coming to map layouts, there are various map layouts. Specifically, if you talk about the software, there are ArcView layouts, printed map layouts, map elements, and map examples. These are the ArcView layouts. This is the layout of the map. So if you want to print a map, you'll find a layout with this. You can just click here and you can find out the layout view. And printed map layout, there has to be a concise title which consists of topic, place and time. Then you have to have a legend, means legend or key. This you don't have to specify there. People know who are working with who are well versed with the map. They don't require this legend to be written there, or key has to be written there. The data source, this is important because you have to show that on tell people that from where you have got this data. This is a very good example of a map. This is the topic, these are the map, these are the legend. The map elements, you have to have a scale. This is inappropriate for a small scale map, and this is not needed for familiar large scale map, right? Then the direction indicator, north arrow, only for unusual orientations on large scale maps, and this use geographic grid or small scale maps. Photos and images, you can have it, neat lines also. So these are the neat lines, scale, this is the scale, these are the additional text you can have here, additional text, these are the photos, these are all the map elements. This is a bad map. Why it is a bad map? Because everything is distributed. There is no proper arrangement of what you require. Percentage of employment, what is that? Legend is written here, what word is here? You don't know it. The scale or the interval of the legend, this is not properly specified, and they are not equal also. This is a bad map. But this map can be considered as a good map because it definitely shows what you intend to. So this was a idea about map scales and layout. Thank you so much. Take care.